This brilliant washing machine from Bosch is ideal if you want an eco-friendly model with fantastic performance and clever technology. It has a superb A++ energy rating, a 1200 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. The Vario Perfect option gives you ultimate control over the time and energy used to clean your clothes without compromising on quality. If you're in a hurry, you can select its Speed Perfect setting to shorten your wash by up to an hour to get your clothes clean quicker. If time's not an issue, then opt for Eco Perfect. It'll take a bit longer but will use less energy, saving you money on your electricity bills. The EcoBar Plus system helps you see exactly how much energy your washing machine uses. Its stylish display has clever LED lights to show how much water and energy is needed for each wash. The less lights that appear, the more economical the program is. So, you can always keep a close eye on the great savings you make. If you're looking for an eco-friendly model with clever technology and brilliant performance, this washing machine from Bosch is an excellent choice.